Hey guys, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. We're at a house out here in Sanford that we just finished a nice Capistrano S-Style Eagle product tile on this roof. Got some really nice clean lines on this roof. Customer had a long battle with the insurance company on this one, so they were really happy to get this all taken care of. This is Sean, one of our project managers. He was in charge of the project.
One big thing here was that this roof originally was a shingle roof. And what's very important about having the correct roofing contractor is you cannot just throw a tile roof on top of what used to be shingles. So what Phillip did and our office did, they all worked together with an engineer, had an engineer come out here, do a full inspection of the house before we even thought about putting tile in here to make sure that would work. So that's a very important part. One thing I want to show you guys is how clean this driveway is. We put tarps all over this driveway, plywood all the way out to the street and then some, so that any of our machinery we used, any of the concrete mixer, the big forklift machine, the actual pallets of tile themselves, nothing touched these pavers. So we protected that, no damage. The customer's going to have it resealed once we get this dumpster out of here. Dumpster driver's on his way. It'll be out of here today. We'll get these last few pieces of plywood, and this job's going to be complete. It came out beautiful, as you can see, and we're very excited about it. Customer's super stoked. So thanks for watching, guys, and catch us on the next one.